Oh. Now, lesson number 14. Firstly, we have to show that divergence of Aij equal to 1 by root g del by del xi root g ai. Okay. Now by definition we have divergence of Aij equal to Aij divided by xi. Derivative with xi. This is the plus Ij s. That's equal to that. Ij means this. This the format. This the format is at this del by del x s log root g, del by del s log root g into s. Firstly, right, and secondly, u b. This is the constant ai. S equal to I. I যদি দেই I s জায়গায় I log root টা ঠিক থাকলো। এটা জাস্ট তাই আমার log 1 by a log 1 by x del del x of x এটা ঠিক থাকলো। এখন আমি এই root জি কাটতে পারতাম, বাট এটা তো ডেরিভেটিভ অফ ফাংশন root জি। দেন দুই পক্ষ থেকে আমি 1 by root যেটাকে যদি কমন নিয়ে আসি, root g into del ai by xi ai del by del xi root g. That is the সংক্ষিপ্তকরণ এত। অতএব 1 by root g equal to. Okay, thank you. And secondly, divergence of ai equal to ai. You have to format derivative of ai and derivative of sa equal to এত। Okay, clear? Next, Laplacian. Laplacian. It's so important, I think that. So let phi be a scalar function and by definition we have. Okay, so firstly, gradient of phi equal to gradient of phi equal to del of phi divide del of xi equal to phi of I. Okay, it's a first equation. Now Laplace of del square phi equal to divergence of gradient of phi. Gradient of phi is derivative del dot del phi, and that's use is denoted tensor analysis div phi comma I. Phi comma I. It is also g of ij phi of comma I into j. Okay, it's also derivative denoted thus Laplacian of phi. G I j del phi dot I divided by del x j minus phi of k I j. Okay, clear? Now z of I j is a del square I divided by del of x I into del of x j minus del of x del of phi divided by del of x k and k I j. Okay, and del square equal to z of I j into del square phi divided by del x I and del x j minus del square phi divided by or del phi divided by del x k I and j. Okay, and also know that it's the first term, it's the first stage, and next derivative of a I equal to derivative of a I, that's equal to 1 by root g del by del xi into root g ai 1 by root g del by del xi into root g of g ij a I. Okay, it's so easy. I that means a, that means it's also j I. Okay, clear? Okay, and del square phi equal to del of del phi, that's equal to derivative of phi dot phi comma I, phi comma I. It's also 1 by root g into del divided by del xi into root g of I j phi dot j. Okay, clear my point? And advance to all. So then that's equal to 1 by root g del by del x I is root g of I j del phi by del j. Clear? Now it is 1 by root g del y del xi is also Kronecker delta. It's also del I. It's root g and g of I j, Kronecker delta del j and phi. Clear? That's equal to z I j is a del square del square phi equal to z of I j del square phi divided by del xi and del xj minus del phi by del x k that's upare k, this is the k, is upare k, this is the I and j, this is the I and j. Equal to, that's equal to j of I, j. One by root g del by del xi into root g into j of I, j del phi by del x j. That's equal to 1 by root g del I and root g j of I, j into phi. It's a denoted del j is a, okay. Thank you very much. It's also firstly divergence of AI, that's equal to divergence of AI. Equal is equal. That's the formula. This is the formula, and it's applicable of formula. That's Laplacian of phi equal to derivative dot del phi. Derivative of del phi, that means it's also tensor analysis applicable. It is used in formula. Root g is the basic, and this is by, it's also multiply this previous method. This is the terms of same as, and it is denoted by method. Again, del square phi equal, this is the formula and applicable of formula. It's also method. So I think that del square phi is atto and atto. It's so proved. Okay, clear my point? It's also firstly divergence, gradient, divergence and curve, and Laplacian equation. Theorem number 20 is totally clear. I think that it's memorious and thinking and applicable these rules and apply this formula. It's so easy. Firstly, I, J, that means I. It is clear, my method. Obviously, you have to write now in kata and easy way. Practice in your house or any other things. I think that you have to collect in good marks and good result. Your wish this video, then obviously you have to share you and your friends and to others, and subscribe to all of videos. Okay, thanks a lot. This tensor analysis.